Ui,
da to quá kìa. Dạ, qua đây nè, qua đây đi nào. Con đi đây đâu?
It's so close to me. This duck just walking past me and it's so close, like I can reach out my hand to touch it.
Muddy puddle.
Hey, muddy puddle. We just checked in at Old Mac Farm. We stay here for 2 nights. This is an unpowered site, so we won't be having any electricity, but we are self-contained anyway, so it's all good. We have absolutely no food, so just waiting for Justin to finish his meeting with his company, and then after that we're gonna go to Coles and do some shopping. This is where we decided to park our caravan really far away from everyone else. Like, this is the end of the caravan park. It's $15 per night, unpowered. We like to stay here so the kids can scream and yell all they like.
No, you already get the number one. You can do the number one when you get.
This is the information hut.
what day is it today? 15? 14?
Today is the 16th. And this is, we sign in and then we pay. The payment box is right here. Oh, they have wood too for us to do campfire. It's actually, you have to pay for the wood fire. And this is how much it costs.
Done.
Mm.
I can't tell what's inside.
We are currently at Cataract Gorge. We have been here twice already. I think the last time we've been here is back in 2020 before the first pandemic. We didn't see the pool. The pool was there, so the pool must be. It's really family friendly. You can spend a whole day here swimming by the pool, do the walk up to the bridge, have picnic. It's really beautiful too. Okay, hold hand. Today is the second day we stay at Old Mark Farm. There's no power here, so we can't do our washing. We got a lot of clothes, and plus we're gonna do Offgrid next week as well. There won't be any power, so I decided to do some washing. This is how, well, Vietnamese people ask what's our clothes. Just put everything in one basket, soak it up, add detergent, and then do this, and we're gonna hang our clothes over there. There is a fence line that we can use to hang it. Oh my god.
Okay.
This is how they drain the water out of EV blanket. It's so heavy that we need two people.
Ok, bà giữ cho tao làm. Tao vặn hết nọ. Cái này giống con chăn không nỉ vậy không? Ok, đây. Chứ tình đem nó phơi đây.
It's Vietnamese pork patty. We bought it at home back in Sydney. We bought 2 kilos, so we're gonna have 1 kilo first and then have another kilo some other time. Justin is working and the girl is outside playing on the iPad, so mommy can cook, and we have to get them used to being outside because they like to
Has
be
anyone
indoors so
actually,
much.
just thinking about it, has anyone
Right now we are going to see sunset in Launceston. There's not many great spots for sunset, but we're gonna go to Bateman Bridge, which is about 25 kilometers from here. Actually, 25 minutes from here. But first we have to take a detour to find a dump point because our toilet is full. We really need to do it, otherwise nobody can go toilet tonight. Justin said, well, it's not smelly in our car.
Ở trong này nó lắc.
At the moment the toilet is at the back and the car was shaking.
Ôi trời ơi. Ồ, nó đổ hết mấy cái thùng xuống luôn rồi kìa.
Oh my goodness, you need to...
Wow,
Okay.
sao mấy cái thùng đổ trơn vậy?
Thùng gì?
Thùng
Nah, it's the bottle.
bottle.
It's the bottle of...
Mấy cái thùng đồ của cái nó đổ xuống hết luôn rồi.
Is it Eden? What dropped?
Không bỏ lên được đâu. Nó đổ hết xuống luôn rồi.
What?
Yeah. An tâm
Go
đi.
in, go in.
Alright.
What the?
What? Fell down?
Yeah.
Why the toolbox fell? You turned too sharp. Just arrived at Brady Lookout. We decided to go here because the sunset view here is more beautiful compared to Bateman Bridge, overlooking the Tama Valley River and the winery. It's a bit cold here, and right now we just hang around and waiting for the sunset. This looks like a small type of capsicum. I wonder, is this edible? No, no helping. Be careful, you're gonna fall. To go to Bateman Bridge for the sunset because we couldn't see any sunset here at